what's up? Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I have a 0 to 100 quarantine get ready with me. It's gonna be a soft glam look. I'm gonna let y'all know now, when it comes to eyeshadow, I don't really be knowing what I'm doing, but I feel like to do a true soft glam, you gotta put a little something on the eyes. So I literally did just that. I put a little something on the eyes, but it came out together, okay? Like it came out all right. Like I look a little cute just to go sit down in my living room and watch Netflix, but I still look cute. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's move forward with the video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so we've been locked up during quarantine. We haven't been feeling the greatest or looking the greatest, but it all changes now. 0 to 100 quarantine glow up starts right now. Alright guys, so to start this off, I'm going to be going in with my Revolution Conceal and Fix Deep Dark Ultimate Coverage Concealer. That is a very long title, but I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is by Morphe, and it's the Artistry palette. And right here, I'm just putting on my lashes. If y'all wonder where I got my lashes, just DM me on Instagram because it's going to take me a while to find these. And if I don't have to find them, I don't want to. So if you really want these lashes, DM me and I will find the vendor for you. So now we're starting with the face. To go in, I'm using the Pore Professional Benefit as my primer. Okay guys, I'm also going to be doubling up with a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then to top that off, I'm going to be using my AirSpun powder. Y'all know I live in Texas. It's hot. For my foundation of choice, I'm going to be using the foundation by Bite Beauty. It's the Changemaker foundation. I got it in the shade D185. Y'all, I love this foundation for the summer specifically. I feel like it gives me a really nice demi-matte finish, and it does not feel thick on the skin. So an oldie but a goodie, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define for my concealer. To blend this out, I'm also going to be using my e.l.f. sponge. I forgot how much I love this e.l.f. sponge, y'all. Comment down below if y'all know what I was listening to. Like, hint, hot girl summer. So to top that off, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Cocoa. And this is why it takes me a while to get ready. I'm not even playing. I be so distracted when I listen to music and do my makeup. So to top this off, I'm going to be using my Huda powder. It is in the shade Pound Cake. To contour, I'm going to be using the XX Revolution bronzer in the shade Nocturnal. So I went ahead and wiped off the powder, and now I'm just going in to set that with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist just to get rid of some of that matteness that I accumulated. Then on top of that, I'm going to be going in with my Fit Me Powder in the shade 375 just to go back up and brighten the highlighted areas. And then I'm going to be taking my Lancome powder and I'm just going to blend that all in. To highlight, I'm going to be using NYX High Glass Golden Hour. Y'all, I really be having fun by myself. That is a problem. Right, to create my perfect nude for my skin tone, I'm going to go in with the NYX Dark Brown Eyeliner Pencil. Next, I'll be using the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Mondays, and I will top that off with the NYX Lingerie Push-Up. And then to top all that off for gloss, I'm going to be using a gloss by Sephora, and it's the Plumping Lip Gloss. And then to top it off, I'm going to be using the XX Revolution Quick Fix Spray. And this is the ending results, guys. This is how I look. Tell me how y'all like it. I was so glad that I got to beat my face because I missed it. Yes, look at you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.